Kanina, alam mo, habang naglalakad sila, napaisip ako, speaking of love, ganito kamahal ni Mayor Joy Belmonte ang Quezon City.
This is the perfect day to get married.
Gawing sentro ng inyong pagsasama ang Diyos. Sa anumang sitwasyon, anumang pinagdaraanan, laging magdasal. May magandang nangyari, magpasalamat kay God. May pagsubok na kinakaharap, magdasal at humingi ng tulong kay Lord. Ngayon, sa harap ng Diyos at maraming tao, manunumpa kayo ng pagmamahal at katapatan sa isa't isa habang buhay. Laging balikan ang alaala ng araw na ito ng inyong pag-iisang dibdib at pagkunan ito ng lakas sa araw-araw.
I'll never yours, I'll never yours. Always believed that after the miles we find ourselves here at the end of the aisle. Looking at me, you're looking at me.
Alinsunod sa karapatan at kapangyarihang ipinagkaloob sa akin bilang punong lungsod ng Lungsod Quezon. Aking ipinahayag na kayo ay mag-asawa na ngayon ayon sa Saligang Batas ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fists in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for. It's right. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You made me feel like enough. I'll never yours, I'll never yours. My heart is racing, these tears are happening.
Sabay-sabay po nating isigaw. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
When we go through difficult times as well as when we have happy and enjoyable times, we always share these times with one another. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. God bless you. I hope you're happy. Masaya ba kayo ngayon? Happy ba kayo? Congratulations again and God bless all of you. It is a pleasure and an honor to have officiated at your wedding.